Welcome to online class. I'm Shabal Rai, teacher of Savdala High School. Today's topic is man and climate. Now we read out the passage. Then I will discuss about some 1-2 questions. Here, now I start. Humans can neither sense the sun's radiation nor the Earth's orbit around the sun. Man has no supernatural power to sense the sun's radiation nor the Earth's orbit around the sun. But man can control the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases and its effect on the atmosphere. But man can control the increase the amount of greenhouse gases by doing some conscious activities. Only during the last 100 years, the carbon dioxide concentration has been raised alarmingly in the atmosphere, and we humans can be held responsible for last 100 years. People use various gases, fossil fuels, mineral oils, and reduce a lot of carbon dioxide, and human may be responsible for this reason. The main cause of the increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is the burning of fossil fuels. When fossil fuel is burned, the carbon dioxide gas is being increased around. It is the main cause. Since the end of the 19th century, industrial activities increased rapidly, giving rise to many factories. From the 19th century, people of the world established a lot of factories, mills, to satisfy, but to maintain, but to develop their various products. These factories required energy, which was produced through the combustion of coal. To run these factories, energy is needed, and that was produced through the burning of coal. Besides coal, other sources of energy such as mineral oil and natural gas were also burned to heat our house, move cars and airplanes, or to produce electricity. In the modern civilization, man wants to live a luxurious life, a happy life. They want to move from here to there very quickly. If they use cars, they want to lead a happy life. For this reason, they can live in a air conditioned room. For this why they use various mineral oil and natural gases to drive various vehicles. Nowadays, about 85 barrels of crude oil are burnt daily. At present, people use about 85 billion barrels of oil, and they produce a lot of carbon dioxide by burning this. Every time a fossil raw material is burnt, it releases carbon dioxide into the air. When a raw material is burnt, carbon dioxide is immediate. Therefore, it is clear that more and more greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are being generated worldwide by human. It is easy to say, or we can understand easily. When use greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and they produce greenhouse gases. Moreover, we are also strengthening the greenhouse effect by deforestation with cutting trees. When people cut down trees, greenhouse effect is strength. Eventually, every year, enormous areas of forests are destroyed by people to obtain wood and to clear regions for mining and to create fast food. Every year, people clear various areas to obtain wood and clear regions for mining and to create pastures where the cattle are grazing. These laws of the forest causes real problems. This causes two problems at a time. Trees are burnt down releases a large volume of carbon dioxide gas into the air. Burnt up trees emit a lot of carbon dioxide. On the other hand, an important carbon dioxide storehouse is destroyed with the forest, as forest absorb a lot of carbon dioxide from the air and deliver in state. On the other hand, when an important storehouse of carbon dioxide is damaged for cutting down trees, instead of oxygen, we also destroy an important storehouse of carbon dioxide when we clean forest. So by cleaning forest, we also destroy an important storehouse of carbon dioxide. This is the passage. Now we can discuss the multiple forces. such question. Choose the correct answers from the order end. The main cause of heat is the burning of the soil. Here it refers to the correct answer: greenhouse effect, global warming, oxygen and carbon dioxide. The correct answer greenhouse effect. When did industrial activities increased rapidly, giving rise to many factories? 100% no. 50 years ago, 19th century or 18th century. Only the correct answer 19th century. The contextual meaning of the word concentration is submission. No. Submission means yielding to the superior forces. No. Accumulation. Accumulation means gradual gathering. Concentration means gradual gathering. Concentration. Correct answer accumulation. Contribution something to system to the society. No, that is not correct answer. That is not the correct answer. The greenhouse effect is reduced. No. Affected. No. Accelerated. Yes, the correct answer is accelerated. Here, the greenhouse effect is accelerated by deforestation. The driving force of industry is energy. The only correct answer. Mining is necessary for lifting up natural gas, energy, resources, digging, mineral sound, development of the country. Here the correct answer digging minerals out. What is the antonym of the word special? Emphasis, the synonym word. Synonym, no. The correct answer. Tighten, no. Harden, no. Only the correct answer. That means the antonym of the word strengthen is weaken. Here, some questions. What is the main cause of increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere? The main cause of increase in the carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms surface Earth surface. When the sun rays reaches the earth absorbs some of the heat, absorbs it, and the rest reflected and redirected. And the absorbed heat warms the earth's surface. And this is greenhouse effect. How is greenhouse effect strengthened? The greenhouse effect is strengthened by deforestation. The loss of the forest causes dual problems. Explained in 2 or 3 sentences. Here the important question. The burned up trees release a lot of carbon dioxide. On the other hand, when we cut down trees, we destroy the storehouse of carbon dioxide. Here we create 2 problems. By deforestation, by burning trees, we increase carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and we destroy the storehouse of carbon dioxide. What is the main purpose of the author of this text? The main purpose of the author of this text is to make aware us, that is people, to aware of the people about the dangerous consequence of deforestation and greenhouse effect. Thank you everybody. This is our topics. Goodbye and we will meet next day about another topic. Thank you everybody.
নিজে ক্লাস নিতে